Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make curry the easy way, truly the only way for quick, delicious results. Forget complicated recipes and long ingredient lists. We're going to focus on a streamlined approach that delivers maximum flavor with minimal effort. This method is perfect for busy weeknights or when you crave a comforting meal without spending hours in the kitchen. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic homemade curry in no time at all. For our easy curry, you'll need just a few key items. Start with 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic, minced. Grab 1 standard 14-ounce can of full-fat coconut milk and 2 generous tablespoons of your preferred curry paste. For protein, about 1 pound of chicken, tofu, or chickpeas works wonderfully. Finally, select 2 cups of your favorite vegetables, like bell peppers, spinach, or green beans. Let's get cooking. First, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Sauté your chopped onion and minced garlic for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of curry paste, cooking for just 1 minute to release its aromas. Pour in 1 14-ounce can of coconut milk, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Finally, add your protein and vegetables, cooking for approximately 10 minutes until everything is tender and heated through. Your delicious, easy curry is now ready to enjoy. For a fresh finish, garnish with some chopped fresh cilantro or a squeeze of lime juice. Serve this wonderful meal immediately alongside fluffy basmati rice or warm, soft naan bread to soak up all that incredible sauce. This simple recipe yields 4 generous servings and comes together in under 30 minutes from start to finish. It's truly the easiest way to enjoy a satisfying homemade curry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.